Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Havit keyboard. I actually don't know if that's how you pronounce Havit, Havit. I'm from upstate New York, so I say Havit. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. I ordered this keyboard online. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's marketed as a gaming mechanical keyboard, although I don't identify as a gamer in the traditional sense. I bought it because I'm learning how to write code, and I've been taking classes and doing a lot of typing the last couple of semesters, and I'm just doing it on my laptop. And I've heard that it's nice to have a keyboard, so we'll see. I'm not a keyboard aficionado. This was I don't know, it wasn't an extraordinarily cheap keyboard. I bought it for around $50 with a gift card that I had, which was really nice. I didn't want to spend too much money. I know you can spend a lot of money on keyboards if you want to, but I probably could have gotten a cheaper one as well. But this one looked nice, looked fun. You can see all the specs there. I'm trying to show. It's not easy to oil, so don't even try. Don't worry, I won't. I had a minor panic because I use a Mac computer and it just lists all these Windows operating systems on the back. But on the website, it did say it was Mac compatible, so hopefully it is. And if it isn't, I can just send it back or something. So it is made in China, which I've mentioned before. It seems like a lot of the stuff that I end up opening on this channel is made in China. But you know what? Chinese manufacturing. Do I know anything about it? No. But I know that they make a lot of stuff, so, you know. I like the box. That's my first reaction. It's really sleek and minimal. It's made out of cardboard. It's this dark, as some would call it, black color. I like that it says hello. That's really nice. Okay, enough of the box. Let's get in here. There's this tab here you can see. Little user's manual. We'll look at that later. So here it is. My first reaction is that I like it a lot. I love the way it looks, which is why I bought it. It's it's a little heavy, not like heavy, but it's got a weight to it. It doesn't feel like cheap or anything, which I don't know if being lightweight means that something is cheap. You could make some, I mean, whatever. It just feels good. More of the specs. for all of you at home who like to know that stuff. It's got these, I'd love to see the little feet that come out. As I said, I'm not a keyboard person. I know it's like a big hobby for a lot of people, so I might be like talking about things in a stupid way or, you know, not understanding things, and I'm sorry. I mean, it feels good. It has red switches in it, which are the switches underneath the keycaps. There are a lot of different, there's, you know, if you're into keyboards, you'll know this, but if you're not into keyboards and you're just watching this because you're my friend and you're nice, keyboards, I've done a little bit of research. They come with these different colored switches underneath them. At least there's one brand that does different colors. Maybe they all do different colors. But there's like red, I think blue, brown, and they all have different resistances, basically. So if you like a lot of resistance, you buy one color. If you like less, you buy another color. I don't really know where red is on that spectrum. This was included in the box. And I know that this is a tool for removing the keycaps. I don't actually really know how to use it. I think it's kind of intuitive. You just kind of get it under there and then you can maybe just take it off. I don't want to break it. There it is. Okay. So yeah, it just comes right off. You can see there's the red switch. So if you buy this keyboard and you want to switch out the switches, I think you can probably do that. If you buy this keyboard and you want to switch out some of the key caps, the colors, or the, I don't know, you can probably like customize it in other ways if you want to. I don't know if that's true. There's the Havit logo. I hope I'm saying that right. Listen, I might be saying it wrong, but that's how it's spelled, and what are you gonna do? I bought this keyboard because I liked the colors. That's why. And it was like reasonably priced. You can buy a lot of cool looking keyboards. There's a lot of nice, colorful, fun looking keyboards out there, but most of them are pretty expensive, or at least a lot of them are. So this one was kind of right in my not too expensive, but not so cheap that I thought it was gonna like fall apart. Or, I mean, there's probably a lot of nice keyboards you can buy for way cheaper than this, but they're just not all as fun and colorful looking. I figured if it's something I'm gonna be looking at all the time and using all the time, it might as well be something I like looking at. Here's the USB cable. I don't know if you want to see that. You can look now, see some of our extra materials in the box. In case you were wondering, this is what the rest of the box looks like. There's a user manual and a little, looks like a warranty card. There it is. They have an 18-month warranty. All right. There's nothing else in the box. But I really do like the box, which I mentioned before. Take a look at this user's manual, sorry. There it is. It's got, once again, the specifications that you've seen. This is 3 times the charm. And there's what I'm going to guess is Japanese, but listen, I don't know, might be getting that wrong. Oh no, it says JP. I'm guessing for Japan. Listen, I don't know any other languages besides English. I took Spanish in high school, and I was okay at it, but not great. I took a lot of classes in high school, and I was okay at basically all of them, and good at maybe one or two of them, and bad at one or two of them as well. For those of you wondering. Well, I love it so far. Listen, I don't have my computer here. I'm not going to test it out. I probably should. Maybe I'll do another segment where I test it out. But here's the thing: I'm not a reviewer. I'm not in the business of reviewing this keyboard because I don't know anything about keyboards and I don't know how it stacks up to other keyboards. Some people might think it's great. Some people might hate it, you know, if you really know what you're talking about and it doesn't meet your specifications. I like that it had the arrow keys on it. That was something I wanted. You can get a lot of keyboards that are like just this stuff, you know, like really small. But I kind of like being able to, I don't know. It looked nice. I don't really know if I'll use the number pad really, but I like that it has delete key there. I don't really know. I wonder if this is the delete that, like, if you have the line, it deletes the character in front of it, and backspace is like delete the character behind it. I had a keyboard on my family's computer growing up that had this delete key that did that, you know, the one in front. And I got really used to using it. I used it all the time, and my Mac keyboard doesn't have it. It doesn't have it. It doesn't have one of those keys. And so I'm hoping that that's what this does. And listen, if you're watching this video and you know a lot more about computers and keyboards than I do, and you're like, hey, you know, you can customize your keyboard so that it has that feature, but let me know in the comments, because I really like that feature. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to using this thing for doing some coding, some projects, and maybe some other stuff too. Looks great so far. It's maybe, you know, maybe a little bit on the small side for my hands, but I think I'll get used to it, and I think it's, you know, probably more ergonomic than the flat MacBook keyboard that I'm used to. I'm really excited. Makes a nice clickety-clackety sound. This isn't an ASMR channel, at least not in any official capacity. If you watch these videos and they give you ASMR or whatever, let me know in the comments. I like ASMR okay. I like some of it. I think it's really interesting and cool. Some really nice stuff out there. Anyway, this video has gone on far long enough. I just like making long videos and talking. It's just fun. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.